One weak thing before I start opening this about these cars is that these cars have powdered steel oil pump gears and also crank gears, which is a timing gear basically on the crankshaft. So those gears, under give or take 600 to 700 wheel horsepower, start to fail, and unfortunately whenever those gears fail, one thing leads to another and your motor is pretty much done for. Check this out. I ordered from MRR. These are oil pump gears right here, and this is the crank gear, and both of these are actually made from billet steel, so they are extremely strong compared to the stock powdered steel gears. These are also CNC machines, so they are going to fit perfectly. The reason for me ordering these gears is, like I said, these handle a ton more power than stock, so you know what that means. Hopefully I can start pumping some more mods in. I've been afraid since I got the car to actually do anything because, again, these gears are really weak that come stock in these cars, so I didn't want to be searching for a new motor. So $400 later and I got these gears. So anyways, right now it is 7 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm gonna go and bring my car to the shop and we're gonna go get these gears put in. So the guy needs the car for give or take about a day or two, so the car's not gonna be gone for that long, but this is the first time that I've actually gone without the car. Let's go ahead and get going. Now the shop that I'm taking the car to is a shop here local to me. It's not too far from me. It's actually in West Monroe, Louisiana. The shop is called Jaeger High Performance, and if you look at one of my previous videos about us going to the track and setting some records, all the cars that were in that video of us at the track whenever the owners got really mad at us and everything.
We're trying to shoot for the stick shift record.
This is it. This is it.
Holy shit.
Somebody just ran off the end of the track.
It don't make a damn. That's a track. And if you got to do that, no problem. We'll let you do it. Stay.
Those were all the cars from this shop. So it's a really reputable shop around here. If you don't know about them, go check them out. Go watch that video. They have some really fast cars come out of that shop. So that was the shop of my choice to take this car to. And honestly, this is probably one of the first times that I've ever let anybody else do work on my car for me. No matter what the situation, I've almost always done every bit of the work to all my vehicles on my own. But this one is a little bit different. You've basically got to pull the motor. So I would rather pay somebody else and let them do it, especially if they've had a lot of experience with these motors and done a few cars. Plus, I'm pretty good friends with the owner. His name's Adam. He's a great guy. So, oh my God. Good Lord, that train is loud. For those of you that don't already know, go check out the subscriber numbers, by the way. We are about to hit 100,000 subscribers, which I am absolutely amazed by. I cannot believe at how fast that we have climbed to 100,000 on this channel. So obviously, if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Go check out some of my other videos. But for 100,000 subscribers, I really plan on doing something pretty cool. I have something lined up, but I'm not really gonna tell you guys what it is yet. So stay tuned for that. I really can't wait to go pick this car up after those oil pump gears are put in so I can get started on ordering performance stuff. Hopefully get a smaller pulley soon. I need to focus on a fuel system as well, bigger injectors, stuff like that. So it's gonna be a long road of performance stuff getting done, but it is gonna be a super fast car, hopefully, after I'm done. It's already the fastest car that I've owned, and for some reason I always keep chasing faster and faster. So that's what we're gonna try and do, make it faster. So anyways, guys, it's about a 35-minute drive, give or take, to where we're actually headed. So I'm gonna go ahead and go drive, and I will talk to you guys shortly. We just got off the interstate. We're a few minutes away from Jaeger High Performance. I'm really not looking forward to dropping this car off. This is gonna suck. But we're pulling up the shop now, so I'm not gonna video while we're in here. I need to talk to the owner a little bit, so I will talk to you guys as soon as we get out. Alright, what is going on, guys? So just got back home, got the car dropped off to the shop. Car is gonna get obviously the billet gears for the oil pump and for the crank timing gear. As soon as I get a decent wheel set up, hopefully we will be able to start doing some serious racing in the car, which is what I have been so excited for since I got it, honestly. And I haven't been able to do it because I'm on stock tires, and the tires that I have are going bald, and honestly I just don't want to buy tires for wheels that I'm not going to keep. And I'm avidly looking for wheels right now, so everything's coming. Just wanted to give you guys basically an update on what's going on. I'm not going to have the car for the next few days. And also, like I was saying earlier, we are approaching 100K really quickly. We're right there. I think it's at 97,000 now since I left earlier. I really just want to give a huge thanks to all of you guys for all the support so far. I really cannot wait to start bringing some intense content of this car because it is going to be such a sick build. I've got a lot of secrets and things that I've been kind of keeping to myself, but I think after stuff starts unveiling itself, you guys are going to lose your minds. It's going to be an amazing build. So I'm really pumped up about it. I just wanted to say a few things before I ended this video because I know it was a rather short video, but I just wanted to keep you guys updated, so that was the purpose of the video, is just basically to tell you guys what was going on with the car and why I haven't gotten to do any performance mods with it. So anyways guys, that's probably going to be all for today's video. If you want to see more videos like this, drop a comment down below, hit that like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and thank you so much for watching. Until next video.